Hi guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So let's go to Facebook first. Click on three dash icon, which is top right corner with your profile picture. Then scroll down and you will find pages option. Click on this. You can see your page here. Click on your page name. Then you can see here the switch option, blue button. Click on this and your profile will be switched to your page. Then click on the top right corner with your page profile picture. Scroll down and you will find settings and privacy at the bottom. Click on this. Now click on the settings option. Then you can see here the page setting option, which is first one. Click on this. Then scroll down and you will find access and control. Click on this. Now you can see here deletion or deactivation or deletion. Just click on this. You can see here delete deactivate page and delete page. Deactivate page is already chosen. You have to choose delete page. Now click on continue. You have to choose a valid reason why you are deleting your page. So choose a reason. I have spent too much time on Facebook, like this. Then click on continue. Scroll down and you can find a blue button, continue. Here I'm entering my password. Please hold a second. Alright, after giving your password, click on continue. Here's the warning, delete anything page. If you want to delete your page, then click on continue. If you're sure you want to delete your page, click on delete page. Your page is deleted, but if you log in your page within 30 days, it will be automatically back. If you don't log in within 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. So guys, this is how you can delete a Facebook page. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.